You are aware that Celine is still alive, right? And she's a super agent. She has all information and knowledge of our snipers, our top snipers. And she's still associated with Carlton. Listen, this is what you have been training me for, and you taught me well. Let me take up the reins for you a bit. I will still report to you and keep you in the loop. In the meantime, you need to go on a sabbatical.
So, I got to go drive to the vehicle up again?
Yeah, for the meantime. Boss said not forget I'm too flash.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay, Miss President, I hear you. You have a very nice way of saying, come out. This is my fallback place. No, it's yours. And don't worry about it. If you get yourself into shit, there's more than enough toilet paper in the bathroom.
Pops,
No. Oh, you don't say it. Say less.
Sir, I want one. Meeting done? I leave.
Bubba's still 3 o'clock. I know at 2:30.
Oh, you're early. I'm certain the boss will be pleased. Come take that door.
The boss?
I wonder what one. Come.
everything all right? Come in and push up the door. Listen, we have some work to do, and we have to jump on it now. From now on, all orders come from me. All reports come to me.
What about with Mr. Mullins?
Mr. Mullins is on sabbatical. What you have to tell me about the silver thing?
One, the operation was a success.
And me not think him of a suspect that I was a part of the operation.
You sure?
Positive.
I not think him a go on mess with the Dan baby mother again.
The Dan baby mother?
Yeah, me have 3 youth for the Dan. Tiana, Brianna, and Rihanna.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah, and if you leave a 10-pack US down there for me because the boss owe me.
Wait. It looked like you guys had fun while doing this operation.
Yeah, man. I'm full.
Boss, you see, any operation I will have to carry a weapon and there is no casualty, it's always a very good operation.
I have one request.
What's that?
Could this agent not refer to me as the gal or a girl.
No.
I'm too comfortable.
No, me and you work together.
You're too comfortable to say it.
No. But me have to do that. What you want to do? Call your name? Wait till the man say your name.
Alright, okay. Listen. The good thing is, him never aware say it was an operation. All I want is the information.
Whisper? Take the lead.
It did. So, Tony is deceased. And based on the information, Carlton are the trigger man. That are just part of it, bossy. Tony is Miranda's cousin.
What? That mean Miranda have all reasons for go after Carlton. Maybe the intention wasn't fair. Shoot Celine. But Carlton.
That makes sense.
In some sense. But the intention was take out the two of them. But we make him feel pain first. Because him take out somebody that she love.
That make every sense. And Mr. Mullins busy a pre the minister. The minister can't put himself in a them kind of position there.
Savannah look like him know the exact location of Miranda. But the two of them supposed to link up to put together the 10,000 US dollar. So, by then, we will get the location.
That not gonna happen. So no wait on that. Miranda skillful. She not gonna risk giving away for her location for come hand him $10,000 for get to somebody. Not happen.
So how do we find our location? Because obviously, she's still there.
We have to keep eyes on who will know she go after, which is Carlton.